Alright, so we're going to try and fire this thing for the first time. I don't know if Mike looks a little nervous, but we really didn't encounter any problems that were out of the ordinary. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Boom! That would be what I call success, my friend. Now it's just on a startup tune from Palm Beach Dyno from Rob Shoemaker, but that is one Saturday of ProCharger fun on Mike Hall's car. We got no fuel leaks. Still learning the tune, obviously. Nothing leaking underneath. That's all from before when we made a big antifreeze mess. But it seems to be good. Seems a little fat. We'll have to blame Shoemaker for that one, but I think we're in good shape. Car sounds good. Blower sounds good for sure. All right. That's it. That's all we got.